Welcome to the question of the week. It's our new segment where we listen to what our clients ask us over a week and come up with a question or two that we think's worthwhile relaying back to you guys. So the question of the week is, when we're reviewing a portfolio, clients often ask us, when should we sell? So this is often asked when a business has gone particularly well and has gone up in many multiples. And I can think of a couple of businesses like CSL, which has been around since the mid to early 90s, has gone up so many multiples, thousands of multiples. And even in more recent times, a business like Altium, which is widely held, that's gone up 5, 6, 7 times for many of our clients. So people are often asking, so we've got a fantastic gain, it's growing as a big part of the portfolio, when should we sell? So the brief answer quickly is, look, we don't look to sell. If the business is going well, it's well run by good management, also have a lot of skin in the game, that they own the business themselves, and obviously the benefit of the success of the business is flowing on to themselves. We suggest just hold and do their job. And when we think about it, if we have a 100% gain where you've doubled your money, that's fantastic. And then should we sell there? Or if it goes up by 200%, another phenomenal result, should we sell there? Again, I find the best thing that we can possibly do is just hold, because there is essentially no upper limit to how big a scalable business can get. And what I mean by a scalable business is one that can increase its revenues and profitability by a large percentage, and a substantially higher percentage the increase in cost to deliver the product or service. So what I often see investors wanting to do is to lock in these gains, 50, 20, 100%. I'm suggesting people just let good businesses run. The good news will breed good further news, and people often look to hold on to the businesses that don't do so well, hoping that they can sell it at a future date back at their cost price. Now, I'd be more harsh on those businesses if a profit downgrade has come up. Be harsher on those businesses, and perhaps selling is something you should look to do earlier. Now, that's something that's not easy to do, and something that I'm definitely still learning. So you need to remember that there is no limit how big a business can get, and the biggest mistakes I've seen in many years of investing is people selling out with a nice gain, but they've left so much money on the table by not just being very boring, putting the share certificate in the bottom drawer, buying and hold, which is exactly what Warren Buffett does over decades. And as always, time in the market, owning good businesses for a very long time will provide significant results. So for our first question of the week, when should I sell? Well, if the business is going well, let the management continue to do well. Thanks for listening.